Industry-wide, per studies done by the FTC and the AARP, the average profit is zero.
Approximately 20,000 distributors operating Wisconsin state tax returns were obtained, all from the Amway direct distributors numbers in Wisconsin, which numbered about 200, which represented approximately the top 1% in Wisconsin. You didn't take every company out the world. You took 20,000 people out of Amway in 1980 is what this study says. But don't be disingenuous, Cece, and say, oh, this study flat out says that the average cost is zero. No, this study says in 1980, approximately 20,000 distributors operating Wisconsin. Now, here's the other deal, too. Don't be disingenuous in your bullshit. How many hours a day, a week, a month, a year did these people wind up putting in their business? Because you know what? The average number of people who come into network marketing don't do shit. 80% of the people quit. So you want to keep going on this fucking lie that the average is zero? Ask legitimately, how many hours a week did you put in? Oh, you only worked for 2 weeks out of the first 6 months, and then you did it for 3 weeks straight, then you got fed up and you quit again. You spent a total of 5 weeks, 1 hour a day doing it? Don't bring your horse shit as this, just some social media influencer who thinks she knows what she's talking about to this bullshit. If you're going to say the average number is zero based on a stupid study from 1980 with 20,000 people who probably didn't do anything. Now what I want you to see is give me 80% of 20,000. I'm not doing the math. I'm not going to wiggle my toes in that shit. Those are the number of the people who are going to drop off. So, number one, don't give me the horse shit of, well, it's the percentage of, it's zero is what 99% makes zero. Your sister's ass. For more anti-MLM content creators destroyed, or if you want to watch podcast interviews on some of the greatest MLM leaders in the industry, or if you want training on MLM so that your business can be led with integrity, be sure to subscribe to the Bull of MLM Network Marketing Warfare channel here on YouTube. Thanks for watching.